Uh, 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 oh. Uh, where the hell am I? Oh. Ignis? Must be Gladius joining. What? Where did it? I. Uh. You the welcoming committee? Uh. Huh?
You okay? Wait,
You real?
huh? What's it look like? Huh, I'm sure you can figure it out.
I gotta be dreaming.
Sorry, but you're wide awake. Huh, first timer, huh?
So then, you're from around here?
However, others like us should be here.
There's others? Huh?
Like him.
Is that you, Lightning? And he is. Hey there. And you, Eli. Welcome to the fight. Eli? Hold on.
I thought it was finished.
We have been called upon to serve a new purpose.
By Cosmos?
No, by the Harris of her will. Serve what new purpose? I'll explain on the way.
You're coming too.
Seriously? We shall go and seek an audience with her.